In some cases, when we deploy report card sheets to classes, the wrong report card template will sometimes get assigned. For example, we're looking here at a school where we have a template for our grade 1 through 5 ELA classes, and we can see that that template has been assigned correctly to all of our language arts classes, but that same template has been assigned in this instance to writing classes, where we really want a different template. To fix this, there are two easy ways to do this. One is we can come right here to the link where it's showing us what template is assigned, and when I click on that link, it opens up a little light box here for me and allows me to select from all of the different templates that are assigned. So right here I can switch that to our 1 through 5 writing, and I can save that, and I've just changed that assignment now for that one particular class. We also can change this in bulk. For example, I can come up here to the gear icon, and by clicking the gear, I now have the ability to select multiple classes. I'll come in and select all of our writing classes in this case. And now I've got a button up here that says Change Template. And in this case, the change that I'm making will apply to all 5 or 6 or 10 or however many classes I've selected. We'll go ahead and say 1 through 5 writing and save. And so we've just changed all of those classes now. So when I look at my 1 through 5 ELA, we're only seeing, oh, I missed one, but all the others have been reassigned, so we're in good shape there. The other thing that sometimes happens is in some schools we will have some classes that maybe aren't getting a report card at all. So for example, in this instance, I can see that there are a handful of JK and SK classes that really shouldn't be getting a report card at all. They don't need a report card sheet. And so much like changing templates, I can come up here to the gear icon, and if desired, I can select the classes that don't need to have report cards filled out, and I can simply cancel the sheets for those classes. So if I do that, those are removed, and the teachers in those classes will not be prompted to complete a report card.